In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a new page in Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Once you are signed in, open the website you want to edit so you are taken to the main site dashboard. This is where you can manage your pages, design, and settings. From the left-hand menu, click Website, and then go to Pages. This will open the area where all of your site pages are organized. If you are new to Squarespace, this section is important because it controls both the pages visitors can see in your navigation and the pages that stay hidden. Next, decide where you want your new page to live. Look for Main Navigation if you want the page to appear in your top menu and be visible to visitors. If you want to create a page that is hidden from the top navigation for now, choose Not Linked instead. This is useful if you are building a page before publishing it more prominently, or if the page is meant to be accessed only through a direct link. Once you have chosen the section you want, click the plus icon next to it. This opens the menu for creating a new page. Now choose the type of page you want to add. If you want a completely fresh starting point, click Blank Page. This gives you an empty canvas, so you can build the page from scratch. If you prefer a faster setup with a pre-designed structure, choose Page Layouts. This can save time and give you a good visual starting point, especially if you already know the kind of page you want to create. After that, type the name of your new page into the text field in the sidebar. Choose a clear page name so it is easy to recognize later, especially if your website has several pages. This name may also appear in your site navigation, depending on where you place the page. When you are done entering the page name, press Enter on your keyboard. Squarespace will create the new page and add it to the section you selected. At that point, your new page is in place and ready for you to start editing and adding content. That covers everything you need to know.